The Supreme Court refused to entertain three writ petitions seeking criminal action against Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udhayanidhi Stalin for the controversial speech made by him in September 2023 about Sanatana Dharma. A bench comprising of Justice Bela M. Tribedi and Justice Prasanna B. Varale expressed disinclination to entertain the matter, asking how the writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution could be maintained. Let me go across to my colleague Nupur Dogra, who is joining us with more details at this moment. Nupur, what does this mean, for Udhayanidhi Stalin? Should we call it as a relief? And does this mean that the future doors for such petitions against him are closed?
Well, of course, if you talk about future doors for such petitions in the Supreme Court, yes, of course, the Supreme Court has today clarified that it is not inclined to entertain such writ petition. However, similar cases are already going on against Stalin in several courts across the country. Previously, Stalin had moved the Supreme Court seeking clubbing of all those cases. In that also, Supreme Court had granted him certain relief. While that case is still pending in the Supreme Court, the court had exempted Stalin from appearing personally in all the courts because the several cases have been filed across country over his remarks against the Sanatana Dharma. So today, the writ petitions that were filed in the Supreme Court had actually sought criminal action against him and also sought a restraint on him from making any such further remarks. However, the Supreme Court, after going through the petitions, observed that writ petitions for such a prayer, and that's why the Supreme Court dismissed the petition.
Okay.
However, the cases against Stalin, the Supreme Court allowed the petitioner to pursue their complaints in other courts, while the lower courts are actually still hearing the case. So all in all, from the Supreme Court today, it is indeed a relief for Stalin that Supreme Court has refused to interfere with these petitions.
Thank you.